Hello. I'm going to introduce you cassava. This is a root vegetable from my dad. He planted cassava in his garden. They were just harvested, I guess this afternoon. So I heard that cassava is a common and stable carbohydrate ingredient all over the world. But you have to get the peel out completely. You can see the peel is pretty thick. See? Come closer. See the peel? Pretty thick. So my dad introduced me with a spoon. He found out that using this shape of spoon, the round one is the easiest one, the easiest way to peel cassava. So I guess like this way. And I heard that people grind cassava. They also use cassava in baking, boiling. But for me, in my case, I'm just going to use it to be the ingredients to my curry. Yeah. You know, it's pretty dry inside the flesh. Okay. Oh, this is pretty easy. So I heard that cassava is pretty dangerous to be eaten raw. So you gotta be very cautious about that tip. Okay, so I'm going to peel all the skins off here. I'll talk to you guys later. See, I have peel all the skin out already, and I just washed them up. It's pretty colored, right? So I will have my cutting board ready, and I need a big and strong knife, such as this kind of knife is. I'm going to cut it into pieces. Usually my dad I think my dad cut it like this big, cut it like this big, but I'm going to cut it smaller. I think it's not easy to cut. Cassava. Maybe this big? Yeah, it's definitely not easy. Smaller. Like this size. Alright. Alright. So all the cassava were into small pieces. It looks like banana piece. I guess I can cook curry with the cassava right here for like 100 portion. For 100 portion, yeah. So if you can't finish it out in a short time, so it is recommended to put it in the freezer. So I'm going to put it in the freezer. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Alright. So it's done. And then I made some rice. I cooked some udon noodles. Yeah, having curry with noodles, either with noodles or rice, is just perfect match. So I just cooked the sliced cassava with sliced eggplant, and I actually put some diced carrot inside the pot. Where is it? Here. Okay, so it's boiling right now. I actually put the pot inside the rice cooker first. So after it is done, I put it in the stove, on the stove, continue cooking, and then I will have two bars of curry. Okay, these are the 2 bars of curry. As you can see, simply just let it boil and let it melt inside the pot with all the ingredients. Yes, I guess I will stir it a little bit. Now the color is completely curry color. Right. You know, one thing that I found is the cassava. The thinner or smaller slice you cut, the better and easier it can be cooked and can be eaten as well. So later on I will have it to mix with my udon.